Hi everyone, on today's segment I'm going to make a red lentil soup. My version will incorporate a lot of warm Middle Eastern spices that infuse a lot of aromatic flavor into the soup. Red lentil is as nutritious as its counterparts, except that it cooks a lot faster. I'll prepare the base for the soup, called a mirepoix. Dice 1 onion, mince 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, cut the celery and carrots into matchstick pieces and then dice. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of neutral oil to a heavy bottom pot on low heat. Add the spices and stir, and then add the red lentils. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 6 cups of water, and then cover. Allow the pot to come to a slow boil, and then stir, cover again, and allow the lentils to cook for at least half an hour on low heat. Thank you again for watching. If you like what you just saw, drop me a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.